Did you know that more than 60% of adults today struggle with stubborn belly fat? And most people don't realize that the foods they eat every single day are either fueling fat storage or helping to burn it away? Here's the shocking truth. While countless diets and magic solutions promise results, most of them only leave people feeling frustrated, confused, and stuck in an endless cycle of failure. One plan says to cut carbs entirely. Another says fats are the enemy. And then there are those so-called fat-burning pills that never deliver. No wonder losing belly fat feels like an impossible battle. But here's the game changer. You don't need extreme diets or complicated rules to see results. The secret lies in your grocery list. By adding the right foods to your meals, foods proven to rev up your metabolism, balance hormones, and keep you full, you can finally torch that stubborn fat and feel in control of your body again. And in this video, I'll reveal the essential fat-burning foods you must add to your diet in 2025 to make weight loss not only possible, but sustainable. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados aren't just trendy. They're a real fat-burning weapon, packed with monounsaturated fats. They help regulate blood sugar and curb cravings. Their rich fiber content slows digestion, keeping you fuller for longer, and reducing the urge to snack on junk foods. The best part? These healthy fats actually signal your body to burn stored fat instead of holding onto it. Number 2. Coffee. Yes, your morning cup of coffee can actually help with fat burning. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system, increases adrenaline levels, and signals your body to break down fat cells for energy. It also boosts metabolism for several hours after drinking it, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day. Just remember, skip the sugar and heavy cream to keep it a fat-burning drink. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods for fat loss. They're loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that support metabolism. Eating eggs in the morning helps stabilize hunger hormones, keeping you satisfied and preventing cravings for sugary snacks later in the day. Plus, the protein in eggs preserves lean muscle, which is critical for keeping your metabolism strong. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are tiny but mighty. They're rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, a hidden cause of weight gain. Their natural sweetness satisfies sugar cravings without spiking blood sugar levels, while their fiber helps improve digestion and keeps you full. A handful of berries is not just a snack, it's a fat-burning treat. Number 5. Lean protein. Chicken and fish. Protein is your metabolism's best friend, and lean sources like chicken breast and fish are essential. Not only do they keep you full, but they also have a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns extra calories just digesting them. Lean protein also fuels muscle growth, and since muscle burns more calories than fat, it's a key ingredient for long-term fat loss success. Number 6. Chili peppers. If you love spicy food, here's some good news. Chili peppers actually help you burn fat. They contain capsaicin, a compound that raises your body temperature and boosts metabolism. This process, known as thermogenesis, helps you burn extra calories after meals. Plus, spicy foods can naturally suppress appetite, making it easier to eat less without feeling deprived. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is both delicious and effective for weight loss. It's packed with protein, which helps control hunger, and probiotics that improve gut health. And here's the thing, studies show that a healthy gut is strongly linked to reduced belly fat. Choosing unsweetened Greek yogurt topped with fruit or nuts makes for a powerful, fat-burning snack. Number 8. Oats. Oats are a slow-digesting carb that provides steady energy and keeps blood sugar levels stable. That stability prevents fat storage and helps you feel full for hours. They're rich in soluble fiber, which not only improves digestion, but also helps your body burn fat more efficiently. A warm bowl of oatmeal is a simple, affordable, and highly effective way to fuel fat loss. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a fat loss-friendly carb that keeps your energy levels steady. Their fiber content slows down digestion, which stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings. Unlike refined carbs, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting fuel without the crash. They're also packed with vitamins like A and C, which support your metabolism and overall health. Number 10. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews may be calorie-dense, but when eaten in moderation, they actually accelerate fat loss. Their mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats reduces hunger and keeps cravings under control. Nuts also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and keep your metabolism working efficiently. A small handful is the perfect on-the-go snack to keep you fueled and fat-burning. Now here's the exciting part. Out of all these foods, coffee and chili peppers are the real game changers. Why? Because they don't just support long-term fat loss. They give you instant metabolic boosts. Coffee increases calorie burn for hours after you drink it, while chili peppers fire up thermogenesis immediately after you eat them. Combined, they're like flipping the on switch for your fat-burning system. So let's recap. Avocados, coffee, eggs, berries, lean protein, chili peppers, Greek yogurt, oats, sweet potatoes, and nuts. These are the 10 essential fat-burning foods for 2025. They don't just help you lose belly fat, they also fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and energized. The key is not deprivation, but smart choices. Foods that keep you full, satisfied, and burning fat naturally. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite fat-burning food? Drop it in the comments below and let's build a list together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's on a fat loss journey this year. Stay tuned, because I've got even more powerful health tips coming your way.